would you mind if I gained access to your private, personal information and put it in a database and sent to different entities across the country if I promised that I wouldn't misuse it? Of course you would, and I would too. We go to great pains to ensure our personal information is protected, except apparently for our children, that is, the ones that are most vulnerable. Currently, we have no law protecting student data. Schools are a rich source of personal information about children that can be legally and illegally accessed by third parties. With incidents of identity theft, database hacking, and the sale of personal information rampant, there's an urgent need to protect students' privacy. But given the recent release of students' private information by our Department of Education to outside vendors, it is clear that we must do something to keep that from ever happening again. In an article published April 19th in 2013 in the Monroe News Star, InBloom confirmed that students' Social Security numbers had been released through student enrollment in the Course Choice platform. InBloom is an independent nonprofit organization, and they're basically a data warehouse. Until that release of information occurred, I personally had no idea that schools were using students' Social Security numbers in this technology age when identity theft is a real threat. To me, that's just unacceptable.
When the citizens come and sit at the table to negotiate, the only thing that we have to negotiate with is our rights. And so when the department asks us to give in just a little bit, they're really asking us to give up our rights, and in this case also our children's rights. And we have a right to privacy, and so do our children. It has come to our attention that certain school districts are using information to sell mailing lists to commercial businesses. This is the kind of things that we want to have our children protected from. The ACT and the SAT are both being sued right now for also disclosing personal information. So I think this is really something that I'm glad that you all are willing to at least look at, and please consider supporting this. Thank you.
You know, I think they sort of got a taste today just how big government really is, and it's gotten bigger than almost than what we can control.